Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay, and this video we're talking about communication. The logged in account is for Chamaka Chazodo, and she's a teacher. And how we can carry out this communication or send out of message is through notification. When we click on this button, we'll have this notification, and click on this communication navigation and be presented with this, and this is the interface showing us the received communication that Chamaka has received before. And we can also click on here to see the ones that she has sent out before, and click on here to actually create new communication. When we click on this create new communication, we'll have this form field to fill. However, we can actually select a recipient. The recipient are going to select a James and zero, and another particular person can also select to include a message. You can say about somewhere, and this message can be submission, can be that we writing submission of exam manuscript. And this can be the body of the message. One aspect of this application is this, that the communication being sent by all members of staff through this particular interface will always be email and notification to other members of staff on the platform. The vice principal have the capability of sending out SMS to all classes of individuals on the platform, either parents, students, teachers, management, anybody on the platform, and she or he can give out the privilege to another person to actually carry out this particular SMS messaging. Now, but every other person by default has only access to email messaging and notification messaging. And whenever you send out this communication or message, you find out that the person will receive it in two formats. The person will receive it in the inbox of the person's email, and also will receive it through this notification and on the person's Scholars account. Now, when we send out this email, this message will be received. This Yunus Anasiro will receive it in his message inbox, email inbox, and Abasan will also receive it in his message email inbox, and also two of them will also receive it in the notification listing. Then let's click on that. When we click on, as we have clicked on this, the email will be sent to the two of them, or the message will be sent to the two of them. Then after it is sent, to find out that we have the listing of all the sent messages. It says that it was sent and it is being delivered. Then find out that we can actually review it by clicking on this. This is the one we just sent now. I found out it was sent to Yunus Anashiru, and it was also sent to Abo Samuel. Now, and we can check Yunus Anashiru's email. And the email linked to this Yunus Anashiru's account is Ken Mado. And this is the email. Look at it, we'll have that email right here. It was submission of exam manuscript, and if you click on that, you find out that it was sent. Right now, we can see that Yunus Anashiru has received the email and is in his inbox. And the person that sent it is Chazodo Chamaka Gloria. This is the body of the message, and this is the subject of the message. We can also check Samuel's email, Scholars account, and logging into his own account, we find out that he received the message here in notification, and also the person that sent it is Chazodo Chamaka. And if we go back there, we find out that Chazodo Chamaka logged in his own interface. As she logged in, she has this thing as her sent communications, which this one was sent to Miss Anasiru, the other one sent to Abo Samuel. As we can see, we have all the communication working correctly, and we thank you for checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you next tutorial, and make sure you sign up on our Scholars. Goodbye.